Movement is the language of the body, a symphony orchestrated by its profound interaction with the brain. We're not just a body, and we're not just a brain. We're an integration and interaction of the two. Chiropractic neurologists are expertly trained in the function of both, combining multiple therapies that reintegrate proper muscle, joint, nerve, and brain function for complete resolution of all parts of your problem. An extensive postdoctoral neurology training that spans multiple years after chiropractic school equips them to uncover the roots of dysfunction, whether in your muscles, joints, nerves, or brain, treating the whole person for permanent relief at the source. Our practice is built on the understanding that joints, muscles, nerves, and brain are not working in isolation. They are an integrated network interconnected through the nervous system. Healthy function hinges on accurate communication throughout the body and brain that occurs during fluid movement of joints and muscles. By adopting a comprehensive neurological approach, we're able to remove symptoms by treating all parts of the problem at their source, restoring harmony between the body and brain. Back, neck, or hip pain is often not muscular in origin. It is a combination of joint immobility that leads to muscle tightness, causing inflammation and nerve irritation that creates your symptoms of pain, numbness, or tingling. Muscles, nerves, joints, and brain all work together, so you can't have a problem in one without the other. Muscles respond to injury by tightening, causing more pain and dysfunction, giving the appearance that they are the sole cause of the problem. This disrupts communication throughout the brain and body, leading to pain and other symptoms. Chiropractic neurologists are experts at locating the source of the problems, restoring proper connections that lead to resolution of symptoms. Not only is healthy joint and muscle movement important for maintaining communication with the brain and keeping swelling and inflammation at bay, but it also directly inhibits pain by sending braking signals to pain nerves. When we lose motion in joints and muscles, pain is amplified. Our treatments aim to restore this lost movement, reactivating the body's natural sensors and braking system, reestablishing clear communication with the brain. Identifying the precise source of immobility and reinstating movement creates healthy mapping in the brain, restoring the body's GPS. Our treatments are meticulously designed to enhance specific movement patterns and restore healthy communication between the body and brain, alleviating pain and restoring healthy joint function and muscle engagement. Healthy vertebrae movement provides life and function to the discs of our spine. Discs have poor circulation, so instead they must absorb nutrients from surrounding blood by creating a vacuum effect through movement. If we lose movement in our spine, we lose movement in our discs, and they become unhealthy and brittle over time, leading to degeneration, herniations, or bulges. We can help you avoid symptoms such as shooting pain, spasms, numbness, or tingling by restoring disc and vertebrae movement through specialized chiropractic neurology treatments such as disc decompression or traction therapy that restore disc health and relieve pressure on nerves. Breathing is essential to our health and requires a delicate balance between spine and rib joint mobility, allowing our chest and lungs to expand like balloons. Limited rib movement reduces chest expansion, shifting our breathing upward in a less efficient, rapid pattern of breathing. These shortened, hyperventilating breaths are often involved with migraines, headaches, dizziness, brain fog, tingling in the upper extremities or face, fatigue, and anxiety as our brain responds to changes in oxygen and CO2 levels. Rib problems are common, losing normal patterns of movement like any other joint or muscle issue, and can easily become chronic, often presenting as neck and upper back pain, pain that wraps around the side, underneath the shoulder blade, or pinpoint pain in your sternum. Chiropractic neurologists reintegrate rib function and breathing mechanics that are often involved with many musculoskeletal and neurological problems. Like a battery, movement of our joints and muscles, especially within the spine, charges our brain and revitalizes the body. A healthy spine feeds constant information to the brain, aiding in orientation, sensation, and movement. Conversely, a loss of mobility in the spine can cloud the brain's perception, leading to symptoms. Through a combination of chiropractic, physical therapy, and neurology, we reforge the vital connections between joints, muscles, nerves, and brain. The brain relies heavily on feedback from a healthy moving spine and compensates when spinal problems arise. Eye strain or tracking issues, headaches, migraines, dizziness, vertigo, and other neurological symptoms can be due to compensation in response to spinal or rib dysfunction. Chiropractic neurology can discover the source of these neurological issues and reintegrate brain and spine function, eliminating symptoms. Symptoms occur as we lose mobility in joints and muscles, causing pattern changes and communication breakdown. Our approach to healing is comprehensive, reintegrating healthy body and brain function by treating the source of your problem, not covering up symptoms. At the intersection of chiropractic, physical therapy, and neurology lies the pathway to healing as we harness the natural power of neuroplasticity, sculpting new pathways and fortifying existing ones to mend the communication rifts between muscles, joints, nerves, and brain. Like forging a path through a dense field, repetition and frequency of treatments are essential to carve out and restore these connections, turning them from faint trails into highways of efficient messaging. Your path to healing is as unique as you are. We understand that pain in the back, neck, or any part of the neurological or musculoskeletal system can hinder life's simplest joys. At Portland Chiropractic Neurology, we address these challenges with empathy and expertise. Our chiropractic neurology approach is more than temporary relief. It's about fostering deep, lasting healing by digging beyond surface aches and pains to unearth and address the true origins of your discomfort. We meticulously tailor your treatments through precise adjustments and a spectrum of supportive therapies to restore balance, not just to your spine, but to your entire being. Discover whole body health at Portland Chiropractic Neurology, where chiropractic meets neurology for comprehensive care.